try to pick a direction yet for the week. Okay, ideally you want to see how Monday trades, right? And then after Monday trading, we can go in and actually pick where the market should go. But the fact that they've run this low and rejecting is a bit concerning, which is a previous day's low. This level is also very important because that's the weekly low. So last week low is here. As much as this is important, that is very important. They can come here, run this and reject and go all the way up again, because we are in a sideways market. So they can run this down here, come to one of these two levels, and then send it all the way up. Ideally, I don't want it to do that because we've been in a consolidation for a while. I want them to just continue going down. That's what I favorite. Okay, I want price to continue going down and leave this consolidation so that our trading will be easier. Yeah, our trading will be easier. But I don't control price, so we just have to take it as they give us. So be careful going long on euro and pound today. If you want to go long, okay, wait for price to come back and take out the low that is formed here, right? So if it does go up, be careful, because on the foreign currencies, especially euro and pound, okay, they might be going up and you go long, and now they've turned around, so this might be going down. Okay, so if you want to continue going long, let this one turn around and take out this low. Once it does that, it's gonna come down here and you can now catch the run above. And now my levels has appeared. You can catch a run above this high. Okay, so be careful, be mindful, because this probably will turn and then go up. All right, enough talking about the dollar. Let's jump on to foreign currencies with that. I did mention that I don't like how this pair is trading on the daily, right? It's too, I don't know what word to use for it, too rangy, right? Ideally, if it's going up, I want large range candles. However, this is what we have. If I was to trade this, I wouldn't trade this on the higher time frame. On the lower time frame, if you do understand what you're looking for, then yes, you can trade it. But I will personally not trade this at all, because there's no direction whatsoever. On the upside, which if we get dollar to continue going down, that's the level I'm watching. Okay, it's a daily level up there, and it's going to run this high, which I don't see that now, right? I don't see that now, but it's possible, right? So I'll be watching this high. If we trade above that high, which is last week's high, right? If we trade above last week's high, then I think we will run this high. Let's put it right here. Okay, if it runs Thursday's high, I want to see one candle, okay, maybe today, run and close above it. Once we do that, I'll wait for retracement and then I'll be challenging this high. Okay, that's what I'll be doing. On the 4 hour, there's this nice equal lows here, which again is a liquidity pool, or there's money sitting down below here. That will be probably a target for this week if dollar goes up. Yeah, if we get dollar to push up, which I'm watching, if we do get it to push up, then this will come down and and run this equal low. Yeah, and then once this equal low is run and we see dollar reject going down, then we will see it go higher. The way I trade is very simple, right? If we do come here, reject, retracement, and then go long, right? Or we come up here, reject, retrace, and then go short. That's how I'll do it. So I'll wait for them to take their hands off what they want to do. So if they want to go up and come here, I will see it. They come up, reject, retrace, short it. Or they're gonna come down here, reject, push higher, retrace, and then long. All right. So that's what I'll be watching. It's a bit sideways, so you just have to be taking highs and lows. That's what it's doing. So they took out this high, yeah, and then they've left this equal low. So I would say they want to. It cannot go higher. It cannot go higher. So maybe they will come and take out this low first, and then reject and go higher. We will see by the end of today. So my bias on this currently is just nothing. Just wait. All right. Just wait and see what they do for today. Yeah, just for today, and then we will see what is actually going on. Because at the start of every week, you want to be careful, especially Monday. You want to be careful and see what price does. At least wait till New York. By New York, something might have happened, and then you can get a direction for price. Okay, Monday from now to New York is very tricky. Price can go anywhere. Right, so be mindful, especially on this pair. There's nothing on there that I like. Let's have a look at time. This has been a very good pair. I think so far the best pair to be looking at is this one, because it's been going one way. Okay, very nice price action since last week. We've been long, or we've been enjoying longs from down here. Yeah, we got a beautiful long from down here to there, and then last week we got another one from here, and we were targeting these equal highs. Yeah, these equal highs, with the possibility that we can come in here. So this pair has been the pair to be looking at all this while. All right. I think we still have this high, these two highs to go for, and that's where my bias is still to the upside on this one, regardless of what the dollar is doing. This might retrace, but I still favor to the upside, and I'll tell you why in a minute. Okay, I still favor this to the upside. Let's have a look on the daily. On the daily, that's my objective. Once we get up here, I'll see how we trade. Okay, once we get up here, I'll see how we trade, if it's gonna cause price to retrace a little bit, and then ultimately I'm looking for price to go into these levels. And if we do get the breakdown in dollar, which is this long on the daily, if we take out this long, right, I think dollar is going to be in trouble. My beautiful drawing is missing. Bear with me. Okay, they are missing. Okay, so if we do take out this low, I don't think there's going to be any support down here, and that should send dollar I'll be watching a level in there, and let's go to the monthly. Yeah. Yeah, so once we take out that daily low, okay, once we take out this low, these are the levels I'm watching. So if we do get this low taken, price will run down, okay, and if we do get that on pound, this is the level I'll be watching. This equal high. Lots of money sitting above there, okay, so that's what I'll be watching if we do get the dollar to break down. So I still favor this pair to the upside. If I'm going to trade any of the majors, it will be this one. Okay, it's got clean price action, and you can see it's very nice to the upside. With that said, today again I'm gonna wait till probably New York and see what they will do in London. It's too early to say okay we're gonna go down or we're gonna go up, but I'm giving you high time frame perspective so you can, yeah, bear with me, I will have a look for you. Yeah, I'm giving you high time perspective so that you can go in this week looking at the direction you should be trading. Okay, that's what is important. The high time frame direction will lead you to get entries on the lower time frame. So on the high time frame, this is where I'm looking for price to go to. So we will see how we trade during New York. Right now, if I was to gamble, okay, I'm not taking a trade. If I was to gamble, I'll take a trade here. Yeah, with a 13 pip stop loss, and I'll be looking for a run above that high. Yeah, that's me gambling, me forcing the trade. 3 to 1, trying to get a morning short. So I buy here, okay, and then I target there. That's me gambling. That's not proper trade. Okay. If someone was to say, take a trade right now, what will you do? This is what I'll do. Right? So the upside objective is there. So we will see what price will do. On euro, now you'll see the difference between euro and pound. I'm on the weekly. Okay, look at how euro has been trading on the daily, and look at how pound has been trading. Completely different, right? So which one would I rather trade? I'd rather trade this one because it's clean and you can see where it's trying to reach for. Whereas on this one, there's so many wicks on the upside. So if you go long, you have to kind of take some profits early because price doesn't go probably to your profit objective and it's gonna reject. Right? On the lower time frame, however, they have just, let me clean all this business. Okay, they have just run this low. This equal low, they've just run it. And the way I see price, if we run one low, we have to go and run a high. Okay, so example, we run this low, we have to run this high, the opposite. Right, we run this low, we have to go and run this high. Yeah, so we've run this low, we have to go and run this high. So that's my bias. All right, if we run a low, we have to go and run the opposite, because that's how price is doing right now. Run high, run low, run low, run high. Okay, that's what price is doing now on this pair. It's not doing much, so we've run this low. I'm looking for that high to be run. How we get there, I said, last week Friday I did give this trade idea from down here to up here, and we did get that very, very nicely. Okay, I still favor that high because they've run this low. Okay, if they do come back down and run this low again, I think we'll be coming for lows. Okay, it's not necessary for price to come back down here because they've already done the job of running this low, right? A low is not run twice. If it comes back and run it again, it means that they want to continue going down. Yeah, we run it, it goes up. We run this, it goes up. Okay, so once we run this, we're supposed to be going up to take out this high. So if they do come back all the way down and take out this low, that's it. This pair is bearish and we should be looking for sells. Okay, so with that said, I think the best thing to do is, okay, wait for retracement. Okay, if it's gonna come for retracement, I will do this. Okay, and I'll do this and wait for price to retrace into okay, I'll wait for price to retrace and probably take out this low ideally, and then I'll go long here with a stop just there, and I'll still target this high. Okay, that's how I would do it, because they've already run this low, so it's not necessary or it's not important for price to come back down and take out this low. If they do that, then I'll change my bias and then I'll be going short. Yeah, so if they do come all the way down here and take out this low, I will change bias and say, okay, price has dropped, so I'll wait for retracement and then go down. This is a weekly. Let's delete all this. Delete that and delete that. This is Friday's low. Okay, this is previous week's low, and that's previous week's high. My signal group, they understand the importance of these two levels. Price can run this and then for the rest of the week reject and come back down, or price can come here and the rest of the week reject and go up, right? Whatever happens, when they do one side, you will see, or I will see what they're trying to do next. And that's why it's important to let Monday trading go and see which side they pick